The using directive in C# allows you to include namespaces in your code, making it easier to access classes and methods without specifying their full namespace every time. It improves code readability and helps avoid unnecessary long type names. The comments in the examples explain the difference between using the using directive and specifying the full namespace. A using directive should be placed at the top of the file, before the namespace declaration, if present, and before any class definitions. It can also be placed inside a namespace, but it cannot be inside a class or method.